Lawmakers in Jefferson City are moving legislation forward to restrict gender-related health care for minors. Our Missouri Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley was there for the vote today. She joins us live from Jefferson City with a look at what's next. Emily?
Well, Mandy, the House approved legislation this afternoon that would ban gender-affirming care for minors. A reminder, this all comes just a couple of weeks after the Senate passed its own version of banning gender-affirming care. But the difference is that the House's version is more restrictive, which means over in the upper chamber, this could be the end of the legislation.
A yes vote is a vote to protect kids from sex change, drugs, and surgeries. A no vote is to not offer that protection.
It's the headline of the legislative session.
I think it's inappropriate to prescribe mutilating surgeries and hormones to 12-year-olds.
This is not how I wanted to spend my time here.
Thursday, the House passed a bill to prohibit doctors from performing surgeries and prescribing puberty blockers or hormone treatments to minors.
What is more sacred than the relationship between a parent and their child?
But the legislation differs from the Senate's, which would allow current patients to continue with treatment once the law goes into effect. And there's a 4-year expiration date on puberty blockers and hormone treatments.
We've already passed this legislation on this issue out of the Senate, so we would expect the House to appreciate how hard and difficult it was and to take up our bill and pass it.
The topic stalled the Senate for days, and bringing up the House's bill could mean a dead end.
That's a non-starter over here. We even Senate Republicans agreed, and we came to an agreement over here in the Senate, which was a very emotional issue and one we don't probably want to go through again.
House Majority Floor Leader John Patterson was one of the 2 Republicans who voted against the bill, saying it's not flexible enough.
Whether it's a ban or you have it in instances that are exceedingly rare, narrowly tailored, and thoroughly studied. I think that's the one area that we defer, and in my view, I think
House Speaker Dean Plocher wants the Senate to debate the issue again.
They have the opportunity, I believe, to take up a better bill if they so choose. But, you know, that's on them. We've stood by. We didn't believe that there needed to be a sunset provision, and that we didn't believe there needed to be a grandfather clause.
Now, the House did not vote on the legislation today to restrict transgender athletes from competing on the same sports team that matches the sex on their birth certificate. Plocher says that they plan to wait until Monday to take that vote. As for those Senate bills, they passed out of a House committee this afternoon, and now they're ready to be debated on the House floor if that happens still in the last 4 weeks of session. Reporting live tonight from Missouri State Capitol Bureau in Jefferson City, I'm Emily Manley, Fox 2 News.